Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this glitch. I don't really know what's going on. It's acting like it's an actual dog. Let's try to feed it. Okay, it doesn't react, I guess. Let's try going upstairs. Oh, it's not downstairs anymore. It's upstairs. It's not registering in the game. It's a glitch, I guess. Let's take a picture. Yeah. Okay. What is this thing? Is this a weird bug? It's acting like a weird bug. I don't really know what this is. Let's feed it again. It's upstairs now. I guess we could just try to feed it again. No.